Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying roles and minimum item level so you don't waste a pull. Once confirmed, assign who handles main ads, who interrupts, and who bait tanks. Make sure your consumables are stacked, food, flasks, and at least 5 potions among the raid. Position the group at the south marker. Have ranged spread to avoid cleave overlap. Begin the pull with a controlled gap closer or opener that locks the boss facing away from the raid. Then execute the first stun or interrupt. Once the fight is rolling, cycle through ad priorities. Burst the marked priority ad, then cleave down the rest. You should use major AoE cooldowns every third spawn to prevent stacking failures. Make sure tanks swap on enraged stacks and rotate personal defensives when boss gains heavy hits. This keeps bleed buildup manageable. Healers pace mana by alternating triage and group heals, topping high-threat players first. Keep interrupts up for casted mechanics, and call movement early so you don't overlap repositioning with major damage windows. As you near the end, hold your biggest DPS cooldowns and offensive potions for the final 20% to secure the kill. You should stagger them so the raid has continuous pressure rather than a single spike that leaves you exposed. If you wipe, log the exact second a mechanic failed. Was it a missed interrupt, misposition, or tank swap delay, and correct that in the next pull. For troubleshooting, run a practice pull focusing solely on positioning and interrupts, so you isolate and fix the recurring failure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.